let's see if we can get another win for today. Whoa. Yo, what's up, Parker? I know, I was looking at it. Just want a little bit more structured so that we can get this long. I'm kind of messing around with the times because this volume sucks. Yeah, we'll see if we get it though. I'm a little more patient today, to be honest. Let's see. Like I like this off of this low here on NQ, but I just want to see some real structure here. Something's missing here. Let me see. Yeah, something's missing here. Let me put on some levels. Okay, so the flip is gonna be here, daily flip. Actually, I need to bring something over. Okay, we have previous. Where are these levels? There we go. So that's what I was looking for. I needed like previous halo. Although previous halo's kind of here. And I need to see where the daily's flipping. So it's here. So some quick top-down analysis. We're either this is a really good place for us to start moving up from on NQ, or we could just be holding this previous week low over here and just starting to make our way down. But this is really good to hold from if we are gonna hold, right? Look at this here. So this is kind of a make or break area. We'll see. I'm a little open on what happens here. And then gold, obviously, just bullish. Like, there's bulls on bulls on bulls. And on the daily, there's like low resistance here. So I'm just looking to see if we can continue taking this up. Oh, because you mean because we swept this here? I like it, but we gotta see some. We gotta see us hold around here. This is a really good place to hold. Talking about NQ, right? No, I like it. And then look at the 4 hour. Look at like the size of the candle just getting smaller. We get this nice little impulse here on the 4 hour. It looks good for longs. We just have to see how we react, how we move. I think that was a gold move already. Might have finished. No, didn't. If we can just get a close above this, I'm pretty keen on buys. Yankees just in a weird place, but same thing. Like if we could just get a close above here, I'm good for a buy, for a breakout, and as we do the breakout here, go break even here. Yeah, Adrian, if you want to invite everyone over, why not? Joel, ¿qué lo que? Hold on, I want to do this. Oh. Ok, esto va a cambiar entre español e inglés. Lo que yo estoy viendo, Joel, es lo siguiente. Si nosotros podemos cerrar aquí arriba, en el 15, nosotros podemos como subir para arriba y siguiendo bullish, pero tenemos que ver porque el precio está como un poquito raro. Yo, what's going on, y'all? Yo, you guys will hear me switch from like English to Spanish because I didn't know, but I have followers from like both languages, so just a heads up. Yo, it's hot. Let me put the AC on. It's hot. Logan, what's going on, bro? I gotta take off like automatic. Uh, like it tries to translate everything. I don't know why. This is closer to here. I actually hope we get this soon, cause bruh, today's New York session was brutal. Brutal, brutal, brutal. There was chop just left and right. So I'm hoping that we can get a pretty clean Asia session. A little mentally exhausted. It's all good. Did anybody else trade like NQ during New York AM session? Yeah, the chop was just real. Well, there were no real gold moves either. You'd have to catch this down here at 8:30. Unless it's even sponsored. Not really. Bro, where are my lines going? Jeezy isn't doing anything, right? Like, we're just respecting this resistance here a little bit too much. I just want to see us break outside of it. And Q's just bunched up here. Really don't like this structure. Oh, man. Hopefully the market makes it easy for us today. Really want an easy session. It's actually not starting to look that bad. Que lo que, manito. Bruh, I bought Bitcoin at like 62, so I have some like long-term holds on it. It's doing quite well. It's for my long-term portfolio, so it's doing really, really good. I just wanted to keep going. I want to see the other side of it. I saw the drawdown. Now I gotta see the profit side. Honestly, if we can somehow get gold like below this will be pretty good. Ton of wicks here though, so it's a little scary, but below this or above this, I'm looking for buys and sells. Yeah, my stocks, I was down, I think like 2 or 3%, and then now I'm up close to like 10% on my portfolio. Yeah, I had some, what was it? SpaceX. So I sold at the highs. The superconductors are all at the lows now, so I kind of averaged in there. Damn, MQ, really back into this range. Yeah. I either get this long here or this short below yesterday's low. This will be interesting. %40 is crazy. Yeah, no, I mean, all of my holds are long-term holds. I added into like Netflix. I saw it at like a 52-week low or something. I added into that. So I have good averages now. So it's just waiting to see the upside of these stocks. But I'm chilling. So gold will be really good too. So we're headed towards this like daily flip. We manipulated up on the daily. So now we have this nice wick. And then we're headed into close to like 8 p.m. So the new hourly will present us with like some pretty good opportunities. I'm hoping we can just create some structure like on our way down here, so we can get a clean play down towards this bottom wick here at 69.6. Let me see the 1 hour. Oh yeah, that looks really good. That looks really good. Yeah. Ideally, obviously, we want to get all the way down here. There's nothing but clean range down here. But since this is a daily flip, I like this initial sell here. Should be the same. Yeah, it should be the same thing for like every other time frame since we're just opened up. Yeah, it should be good. Where is it? It's all just rangy. Let's see when we get some more volume. Yeah, this isn't moving at all. Like, at all. Doodoo fart. Yeah, it's trash. Yeah, it's kind of getting me a little bit bored on the charts. But boredom is good. Boredom is good. Um, just have to make sure I don't do anything stupid. But boredom is good. Does anyone know what the lo-fi station that like Dan listens to? Mine is just is putting him to sleep. Oh, let's go NQ. Let's go NQ. We have some clean, such clean range here. Oh, are we gonna get this clean play on NQ? Let me see what my risk would be. I'd want it to close somewhere around here. Just chill the fuck out, NQ. About 17 points. I could take 2 contracts on it. I think I scared it. I think I scared it, but I like this. I like this volume. It's not from news, so that's good. We can kind of get a break above this, retest back into this exact same range, flip it again. We should be good to go. Targeting this wick. Hopefully it doesn't wait for the new hourly to do that. Come on, bro. Yo, what's going on, Adam?
All great men must have their moments of relaxation.
And the greater the man, the greater the moment.
Give me like 5 minutes and I'll answer that question for you, Paige. Yo, Shibby, what's going on, bro? Let's see. So, Paige, you asked, you've been doubting your good setups and taking shitty ones. Like, how do you go about that? What I've been telling people is to go and only trade evals. Whenever you see a week is very shitty, like this one. Oh, hold on. Is that better? Can you hear me better? Okay, perfect. Cool. So there's two ways to handle it. And for me, I kind of like the second one a little bit better. So one is you can kind of go back to evals. Just trade your evals until you get your confidence back. Because there's nothing wrong in the setups, right? It's just you're going through like some psychological period. Every single strategy goes through their down times. So like New York AM has been shitty as hell, so I've only been trading evals for right now. Even this one right now is an eval, right? I have all of my real accounts on pause right now, just because things like price has been a little bit weird. I understand like what my setup is, and I understand the mechanics behind it. So I have full trust that I have a profitable system, but I know that my psych is kind of getting in the way right now. So I just kind of go back to evals. Yeah, and then for that's like one of the answers, and the other one is you could easily like just go back and journal some of your better trades, and see what's actually causing you to doubt some of your trades. Sometimes it could just be like imposter syndrome. Like there's so many other things that can be affecting your trades outside of like the actual market conditions. So one of those two, like either go back to evals or just really try to journal your trades to see if the problem is you or the problems are conditions. If the problem's conditions, then try to understand like where your trades do better and stick to those. And if the problem is you, then go back to evals to get your confidence back. But either way, like you have a proven system, so there's no reason for you to doubt the actual system. It's just the human behind it. If it's just unfortunate, then those are the ones I get happy about. If I happen to just take some bad trades, I get really happy about. Well, not bad trades. If I happen to take good trades, but they don't work out, I get really happy about that. Oh shit! Is this? If we somehow flip this red, I'm gonna take a sell. By the way, not in the system at all. Just so you guys know. But yeah, if you took some good trades and they're good losses, but yeah, if you took some good trades, but they happen to have lost, but they're good losses, those are the trades I get really happy about, because that means a win streak's coming along the way, especially since we have such a high win rate. Damn, this one got me. I don't want to trade inside of this range, but if this flips, I'm gonna be forced to take a sell on this. This is such a disgusting range. There goes gold. Yo, what's going on, Ty? I think you bottom ticked this, didn't you? Like all the way down here. Crazy. Crazy, bro. Goodbye, though. It's crazy because I was waiting for these two to get taken out. Since they didn't, I didn't take anything. But this was the buy that I wanted. Oh, we might get the sell that I want. Let's go. Hey, Louisa, how's it going? Afternoon here, but yeah, for sure. That's looking good on gold. Yeah, this looks really good. All right, this next 15-minute candle should provide us with an entry for some trade. If we can just take out this top, be happy. Let me see if MNQ took it. Still nothing. Okay. If we go back in this range again, I'm gonna lose my shit. What the hell, NQ? Yeah, I want to buy on Q, Bruce. I can go over it if you want. But yeah, I want to buy on Q. The structure already shifted from bearish to bullish, by the way. Do I want to go over this right now? Sure. All right, so I'll go over this really quick, Bruce. This is just market experience here. So when we take out a significant low, so something like, hold on. Something like this, significant low. This level here is previous day low. So we take it out, we reclaim it, and then we put in support. And then in this support, what are we doing? Like creating higher highs and higher lows, right? So if we get above this, this is one of like a big resistance. So we go from creating lower lows, lower highs. We get to this huge low. And then we start creating higher highs and higher lows. So this is what I guess in some worlds they call like the market structure shift, but it's just a shift of order flow. We go from bearish to now starting to create bullish. There are areas obviously that we have to get above. So like if I was looking to be bullish now long term, like I'd want to make sure we get above here. But this is a good, like this is still a magnet for price. We can still get up here, so. And then other confluences to look for is when we break above here, this is also the daily flip. So this is a daily candle right here that opened here. We manipulate lower, obviously that's what's going on. So this is the wick at the bottom and now we're going towards the upside. So this is a good opportunity, if any, for us to take the buys. If you see here, right, this is high, look at this, higher high, higher high. We'd put it another higher high. But anyways, that's all like market experience stuff. But yeah, that's the story behind this long, if we get it. Same reason for the short here, right? We are holding this resistance, and then here we would do the same thing, right? We would put in this is where the resistance is at. We would put in this lower high, and then when we get this short, the intention is for us to go this way. Oh, we always wait for the retest. I'm not taking this just cause. I know, which I'm happy about. Now it just has to chill the fuck out. I don't want it to take out this high and then start going the other way and go without us. Yeah, if we can retest like back in like here, I'd be really happy. But it doesn't seem like we're gonna get it. Damn it. Oh. Shit. It can wait 2 more minutes. That's fine. I still want this sell on gold, so we still have a play. Let me put this here. This is gonna be my target. Yeah, I know it's over. That's it. The thing is, whenever the daily flips, especially like after we've already manipulated, and we're in a high voluminous time, it just goes. So I was hoping it would hold off at least a little bit for us to get part of this momentum. Extremely overextended. Now I'll have to wait for like a small body red candle so it could take us for a continuation. Yeah, I like gold for cells still. And then we created the structure here, so I like it. I just wanted to close like somewhere around here, just a little lower. Nah, gold is still valid for me. Just a little lower. Same thing, right? Daily flip. So we can expect volume to kind of take over here. The thing is with the retest for gold, it has to be a little bit higher, just because of where we're at. I just don't want it to stop here, because then it will be respecting this support. Yeah, it's kind of what it's doing now. This is gonna go. That's the thing. But I need a decent retest. This is just gonna go. Go flip the other way. Damn, there it goes. Damn. No, I can't take this. I was waiting for a good retest. Here, no. I mean, this is where you would go break even if you were in this trade. Like, this is a good retest. If we somehow start flipping green here, I might be interested, but I have to wait to see how price is reacting here. And gold, I'm no longer interested, by the way. How I play. Yeah, gold, I'm no longer interested in the sell. Yeah, it depends. Like if it's a really good trade idea, then I'm willing to try it, and I'll just go break even at the level. Especially if the level's like far enough. Damn, that was a good goal play, but just didn't close low enough for me. Appreciate it, Louisa. What do we have here? This is a really good place for us to reject from. Thank you. Please go up. Yeah, this is a really good place for us to start going bullish on RNQ. I like the fact that we have like a wickless candle here. There's a lot of things that I like about this. I just hope that it holds off and we can get a continuation on this. Damn, Goldie played me. I feel like this is taking too long for us to get that retracement that you guys want. But I mean, go for it, right? Like we have this pump, we have a nice retracement followed by another pump. And it's holding this this support here. It's actually pretty good. I am. Shh, Adrian. Nobody's supposed to know. So I keep eyeing it. This looks good. Look at the I mean, this is a 5 minute, so I tend to look at the 5 minute. Look at the candles just get smaller, smaller, smaller. We get a nice engulfing here, and then the 15 minute turns into a nice little impulse here, nice little hammer candle. This is one of my A+ setups, so gotta take it if I see it. Bear in mind that we are going back into a range, but I'm okay with taking this. Yeah, this is looking good. This is looking good. No, don't do that, gold. Don't do that, gold. Gold, chill the fuck out. Don't do that. Don't do me like that. Just chill, chill. There's no rush. There's no rush. Just chill. Gold, there's no rush. Just calm the fuck down, bruh. I do gotta be careful with this area though. Pages in this long already. I have no doubt. Okay, just hang out here for a little bit, gold, and then we should be good. Same thing with NQ. If we can get a nice little hammer candle here on NQ, green hammer candle, we willing to take this long. Take it towards this here, towards this high. If we can wake up here on NQ, hold this here, and a nice little hammer candle. I'm taking this long too. Both ideas when they show up. Okay, come on. Come on, Goldie. Come on, Goldie. Threes, 2 cons, 20 cons. I'll take that conjure this one. What are we doing? No, I'm gonna hold off on gold here, but I have like two more 15-minute candles in me, and then I'm done. This has been horrible. Come on, sweep this candle though. Just horrible. No, only scenario I'm interested in, sweep this candle low, come and engulf this candle. That's the only scenario I'm interested in with gold. Yeah, I want a long here. Or if I'm gonna go short, it has to be a break of these lows. I don't want to play inside of this area unless I'm going from one zone to the other. So this could be the failed breakout here. Otherwise over here, but NQ is starting to shape up. We got 12 minutes. A lot can happen in 12 minutes. Yeah, so I'm either for gold. I either want one of two scenarios. I want to trade back in here, or I want to trade down here, and this is a big target. But in here, there's like, I don't know. It's hard for me to trade in here. I wanted a good structured breakdown here. Didn't get it. So now it just feels like I have a hard place to put my stop, right? Like it's really hard. Even if you go down to time frames, it's really hard. It'd have to be like up here or somewhere. So a good breakdown was like this here, but you know, I trade a little higher time frames. Yeah, so I have a hard place placing my stop right now. Oh, 100%. Bruce, you look young for a 61-year-old. You just hold off here on Q. Thursday was up there. Alright, let's take it out. Alright, I think today's just not my day. Yeah, trading's a scam, should be. Bruh. This is what I wanted. But it's fine. If we break outside of this, I'll take this too. I'm okay with that. Just need a good retest. Look at how this looks on the 4 hours. Like really, really good. And on the daily looks even better. So. I just didn't like the retest at him, so I didn't take it. I just feel super overextended. Yeah, I need to see structure on the way down here, not just one big drop. If this was happening at 8 p.m., then I would have taken it because I knew like volume would have taken us. But not like this. But good trade. Oh, this is trash. I don't like anything. I'm gonna call it here, y'all. I'll see you guys on tomorrow. That was trash. Horrible session. But we had the right game plan. I wanted sells below here, just a little early. Didn't get it here. And I wanted longs here. Same thing. Kind of went without us beforehand. But if you guys are staying on, right, so like look for this level. This is a pretty decent level. And then sells below this level over here. We get below this, like we should be able to at least get to like somewhere around here, to like 552. So around this area here, so around 550, 552. All right, I'll see you guys. Peace.